like its hoot?
Tommy, I really don't want to imitate an owl, because then it might be a mating call. Oh, okay.
Who? Did you know that owls don't eat sugar? Who? In the rain! Owls in the rain would just be so precious.
Ooh, owls are spooky. Oh, Peanut. Ooh, I didn't know you liked to dress up as an owl furry. Ooh, owls are living creatures. That's hot.
Hey.
Who do you think should be the president of the United States? An owl. Because owls go who?